This is Abdullah Kashmula, class CIS274 XML programming, and this is assignment for class 6, which is creating a document type declaration, whether it's a standalone and also an outside document. This is my standalone document, and as you can see here, we declare that it's a standalone. That means it does not require another document that is outside this document and needed for the document for the data type declaration or document type declaration. So it's straightforward. Every element that contains a list, we're going to identify the elements in that list. Of course, my root element is my data, so it has to be here on top. And wherever I put data, I can just say that it's a data or a string data. I also tried the variable any. So for this one, I can put any variable. I could have tried it over here, but I wanted to keep it for future references in case I want to do something like that. So I just want to try to see if any will work. That means it will take any elements in here. And in video 1, I have link, rating, and description. So if I put this, it means it's not going to care what's in there. If I make more elements or less elements, it's going to take it anyway. So I found this site that validates the XML documents. Now, first I'm going to try the standalone, and it's already there. Validate. So it says no errors were found in the document. That means the any statement did work. As for the standalone document, the one that has outside, this is my DDT. That it's the same as in the other one, except it has my document type declarations, and in the other, the XML file, I'm gonna have saying that it's not a standalone file, and I'm gonna have to point to the DDT file. So I'm gonna say that of course I'm gonna have to put the root in here, the name of my root, and then say what's the name of the file. Since they're both in the same directory, it's not going to be a problem. I don't have to put the path. I only need to put the file name, and it's going to look for it in that path. Now to validate that through the site, and we can say outside source, validate, and then it's going to check the document. It's going to see that I have a file that is referring to. So it's going to ask me to upload the DTT file, DTD file. Continue. And it says there are no errors. Of course, in the beginning, I had some errors, but after checking it a few times, for example, I didn't know if I should put the name of the root or not. Also, when it comes to the other document, which is the document type declaration, I didn't know if I should put something here before or just put this. So the only difference I see in here is that instead of putting it all in one document, I can separate the declaration into another document and just leave the other document to be only my XML and just a one line on the top.